Right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Matt's Train Shop YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell by the title, I seem to have landed quite a lot of KATO N Gauge items. I'm not going to keep you long today. This is going to be quite a short video, but I just wanted to show you what has arrived in stock. It's only actually 2 items. However, the quantity of the 2 items is certainly to be adored, put it that way. Right. Should we crack on? Simply, we have loads of these KATO Unitrack track packs. I have 140 of these track packs, so there's quite a lot. These are the 4-piece ones. I'll just double check they are the 4-piece ones. Yep, the 4-piece ones, and they are all brand new. They're all still sealed in their packaging, and yes, ready to be sold. So, yep, 140 of these to sell. The plan is to list these on eBay as a bundle of 5. So you're going to get 5 listed up on eBay altogether for the price of $29.95. So that's 5 track packs for the price of $29.95. And as you can see, there are lots and lots to get through. I'll just pass you over to another clip to just show you how much there actually is. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I think you get the idea here. There's just boxes and boxes and boxes of track. Look, here we are. Look, more, even more of the same. It's all the same product code as well. It's all that same bit of track. Another box there, another box underneath, and then there's your 7th box there. So yes, like I said, 140 pieces to get through. Right, so I just want to show you what's in this box now. We've got 56 of these 3-colour automatic signals, and as you can see, you've got your signal and you've got this little runner over there. So the train goes over that and the signal goes back to red. And if a train is further on down the line, the signal might be orange, it might be green. So it's quite a clever thing. Obviously, you have to wire it up. The wires are in the bottom. What a catch! What a catch! I will get one out for you. I'm just trying to find if one has actually been opened, because these all seem to be brand new. I'm just going to find... Oh, yeah, it looks like somebody's tried opening this one. Well, I haven't opened it now, so that's all good. But, yeah, let's get one out then, shall we? We'll have a look. Of course, we'll have a look. Let's have a look. Let's see what we got on his hands here then. Come on. Come on. Right, yes. So, I'm just going to pull... There we are. I'll put this back together off camera, put it that way. There we are. So, there's your light, as you can see there. And like I said, the runner where the train goes over and it automatically goes back to red. There's your cable as well to connect to, I think it's like a little power bank or something. It goes on there. So, very, very nice indeed. And like I said, I have 56 of these, all going for £24.95 each on eBay. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, there's a fair few to get through, and they are quite in demand as well. So when you can, grab them. So what we'll do now, we'll just do a little bit of a summary of what's what. So like I said, you got these 4 pieces of Unitrack there, set track. Selling these as a bundle of 5 for $29.95 on eBay. That's a bundle of 5 of these for $29.95. And then a automatic colour, 3 colour light signal for $24.95. Like I said, 140 of these packs to get through, but if you divide that by 5, that's 28. Yes, 28. So there's be 28 bundles available, if that makes sense. 28 bundles available, and like I said, 56 of these colour lights available. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching. Yes, it's been a bit of a short video. However, at the weekend, there is an absolute banger coming, especially for you guys who are interested in the European stuff. Look out for that video at the weekend. It's going to be a brilliant one, simply because all of this arrived with what you're going to see in the next video. Simple as that. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, all this is in demand, and by the time you watch this video, these items will be listed on eBay already. So I will put a link in pin the comments. It'll be the top comment down below, a link to the eBay page for you to go and buy this stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching. All that's left for me to say is for you to like the video, subscribe to Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel, drop a comment as well. I mean, this is a ridiculous amount of stuff to get through, but but yes, ladies and gentlemen, and any business inquiries, it is mattstrainstop@gmail.com. That's mattstrainstop@gmail.com, all lowercase. Ladies and gentlemen, see you at the weekend for a banger. Goodbye for now.